Photoshop CS6, the custom shape tool, now comes with a new feature for strokes, and that's actually quite useful for creating frame designs, just framing a certain element in an image. So I'm just going to go now to Photoshop CS6, and I'm using the Creative Cloud version, but should be available in the standard CS6 as well. Select that, and I'm using the shape option. There's a shape option over here. And I'm using shapes. They're from graphicextras.com. There's thousands and thousands of different shapes. I'm just using a triangle design. Just select that. And now I'm just going to quickly drag triangle out here. And now, initially, the fill is set there as black. You can actually change the fill to none. That's a quick and easy way of doing that. And the key thing for this whole tutorial is really setting the stroke. So I'm just going to set a stroke, just going to set it to black, very uninventive I know, or I could obviously choose any other colour, red, I'm just going to go with black, and I'm going to set the size just so it's a bit more visible. Now, one of the good things about the new stroke options in CS6 is the ability to have different stroke options, and here is a selection of presets, so you can just select that, so you can sort of define different frame designs very quick and easy. See a dotted frame design, which is quite useful. Obviously, again, depends on the size of the stroke itself. So if I reduce that, obviously it reduces the size of the dots, so you get just a very thin line of dots. And also, of course, edit your create your own presets, so you can actually change the dash and the gaps for the thing, or whether the alignment is inside or in the centre. I prefer centre, so it's actually just around the edge, just like that. Click OK. Now, of course, once you've done that, you've actually defined the frame. If you want to be a bit more inventive and actually create additional effects for it, you can actually go to the layer style, and you can add a drop shadow to those dots, so you can actually just drag that out so you can get a sort of secondary dot frame design there for your image. Also, you can add to the actual stroke. You can actually go to add a stroke to the stroke. So I'm just going to now, obviously, as it's black, I'm going to go and select a different colour. Go for normal, and I'm just going to go for red. That's for the drop shadow. Go to the stroke. Then you can add a red. Then of course you can also add a gradient as well if you wish, gradient or pattern to the thing, so you can get increasingly complicated frame designs very quickly using the new stroke feature in CS6.